Yeah, hi here. So in the last session we have discussed about the sale order, right? Yes. So sale order we have seen. Okay. So how this all things are created. I think we didn't save that. Okay. So we need to go. We need to start with that. Okay. So what we are going to have now is this session. Okay. So we are going to start from the sale order here. Okay. So we are going to create that with the reference of a quotation. Okay. So already we have a quotation. Already we just created on that. Okay, with that basis, okay, we are going to just convert into an order. Okay, and we are going to process that. Okay, yes, and also we are going to see, okay, how this order is going to transfer the requirement to other department. Because so you can see from the sale order to delivery, okay, it seems it's the next step here. Okay, but between the sale order, okay, and delivery, we have a very big gap over here. Okay, so there are, okay, so multiple departments are working under this particular do gaps, because there is a situation. Okay, so if there is a stock, the situation will be different. If the stock is not there, okay, the situation will be different. Okay, that is what we are going to have it over here. Okay, so we are going to see that. Okay, first we can create an order, and let's see what are the things we have inside that, and we can discuss about the part. Okay, then we can go into this particular, okay, so delivery part, and between the transfer of requirement, one of the most important integration part. Okay, so let's do that. So let me get into the system. Okay, okay, so now for an example, okay, I think we didn't created any sale orders on the last time, right? So we just stopped with the quotation part. So let's go with the quotation. Let's find the quotation first. Okay, then with that quotation we can able to create an order with reference. Okay, let's do that. So go for VA. Okay, 25. Okay, we can go with VA 25. So where we can able to see, okay, all the reports. Okay, so this particular VA 25, so it's a report here. Okay, so for a quotation, if you go for this, okay, you can able to see the list of quotations here. Okay, so like that we have another T code here. Okay, it's a shortcut here. We are going to discuss about the reports, all these things later. Okay, reports, and so what are the different dimensions of reports, and what are the things we can able to have, what are the different things, what are the options we have. Okay, everything we are going to see that later. Okay, so that all things we have a shortcut here. For an example, if you see here in the front end, this is SAP EC access. Okay, if you go there, okay, you can able to find, okay, the sales and all these things. Okay, only the transactions will be there. Okay, only transaction, and it will be mixed up with the report also. Okay, if you want to go with only with the report, okay, so we have a provision. Okay, so you don't need to have all these things over here. So what you can do is you can go with only one T code, which is called as SAP1. If you go with the SAP1, you can see this entire thing will change. You can see that. Okay, enter. You can see the entire things has been changed. The appearance has been changed. Now if you go, okay, you can see everything comes outside. Okay, earlier we need to go inside the logistics, right? Now you can see everything came outside. So we can able to see this particular case here. Okay, in this you can go to the sales and distribution, and you can see, okay, so if you take anything, you can go to the master data, or you can go to the sales. Wherever you go, you can able to see only the reports. Okay, only the reports. Okay, so you will not see any transaction over here. Okay, this is one of the very important T code where you can be able to get only the reports here. Okay, if you want to see only the reports and you want to understand the particular thing here, you can just come here and you can be able to review all these things. You will get all the information at one place. Okay, we can discuss about this later. Okay, so now we need to go for the quotation part here. Okay, so bring it back to the page. Okay, go to the menu and click on this SAP menu here. Okay, it will come back to the same. Okay, so now we can go to VA25. Enter. Yes, so here we will be having the list of all the quotations over here, and you can scroll down. Okay, you have a number of options to search, but still, okay, just open close come. You can able to see some selection criteria there. Okay, so all quotations, completed quotations, and expired quotations, and open quotations, like that we have the sum of things for them, right? So here I can able to go for this open quotation. For an example, I can go with this open quotations here. Okay, I can go with this open quotation, and what I can able to do is, okay, so I can give the document type. That is the easiest way. Okay, so go for the document type and you can give that. So we have a unique document type, right? So last time we just did for, okay, so everything starts with T. Okay, T for Tata, right? So it is TQT. Okay, it seems, okay, TQT, right? Yes, so quotation is a standard, QT is a standard one. So with that we just made it as TQT, so which stands for quotation type. Okay, right. So now what we need to do is, okay, so for this particular quotation type, so we can just execute this. Okay, just give an execute. So we have given only open quotation. You can see this is the quotation is open for this time. We have created only one, right? We have created only one over here. So with that we can able to go for it. So this is the document type we have, right? Yes. Now what we need to do, okay, I just want to take this particular document type over here. Okay, yes, and I need to check that, okay, so whether this particular configuration, okay, the copy control configuration is done or not. Okay, we need to see that. Okay, we need to verify before you convert this quotation into an order. You need to verify that whether this particular sales document type, okay, is being, okay, connected with the copy control. Okay, so let me go for the configuration. Let's check that once. Okay, then we can start doing the order. Okay, so go back to SPRO. Okay, reference. Okay, so there you can go into the sales and distribution. Okay, go to the sales and distribution, and there you can able to see the sales, right? Go for the sales, and there you have a copy control for sales document. Already we have seen for inquiry and quotation. Okay, so now let's check, okay, one more time whether it is there or not. Yes, here you have this one. Okay, see sales document to sales document. It's common for all the three. So let's execute this. Okay, so there you have an option. Okay, let's search in the position. Okay, go for the position and search it over. Okay, always, okay, the source on the below. Okay, the target on the top. Okay, the source is now is TQT and the target is TOR. And execute. Yes, we have already. Okay, so we have already. Okay, so everything is fine here. Okay, so now we have already here. Okay, perfect. So now we can directly convert that particular quotation into an order, so there won't be any problem with that. Okay, so let's go for it. Okay, let's copy this particular quotation over here. Okay, so where we need to go? So we need to go for, okay, so VA01, okay, for creating an order. So VA01, and what is our order type? So our order type is TOR. Okay, TOR is our organization. Okay, so now I'll need to go for the organization and all other things. Okay, so let me go for the organization. Okay, this is the one, and distribution channel, okay, X1, and this is also X1, right? Yes, already we know that. Now it's time for creating with reference. Okay, click on this create with reference. Okay, so go with the quotation. Okay, so give the quotation number. Okay, so I think I didn't copy. Okay, so copy this again. Okay, and just give a copy. Okay, and just give a copy. Okay, there you can see. Okay, so when we copied from inquiry to quotation, okay, so there is nothing happen. Okay, directly it is copied. Okay, we are just seeing the front page. Okay, now when you copied this from quotation to this one, you can see that, see, automatically something is happening. Okay, this is what we call as availability control. Okay, so there is a configuration behind that. Okay, so we can see that. Okay, so now you can see this is a configuration for that. You can see as on today. Okay, so you can see 1812. Okay, 1812 is the actual required delivery date of a customer. Okay, you can see actual required delivery date of a customer is 1812. Okay, so the quantity they asked for 2 numbers. Okay, but the system is saying, okay, on 1812, okay, it is not possible. Okay, it is possible only on 211. Okay, so 21. Okay, it is staying almost 10 to 15 days. Okay, so almost it is taking, and it's saying that it is possible only on 21. It is possible, means it is very clear that, so the stock is not there. Okay, it is very clear that the stock is not there. Okay, so if the stock is not there, what will be the situation? Okay, so I'll come to that point here. Okay, so first we can give a delivery proposal. Okay, if you give a delivery proposal, see, automatically system will take that proposal. Okay, so this is actually the delivery date. Okay, what the customer is expecting. Okay, because system will work on the backward scheduling here. Okay, system will work on the backward scheduling here. Okay, same time I'll just take this material. Okay, you can take this material and you can go to the metal master. Okay, so just open the metal master over here. Okay, so open the metal master. Okay, so open the metal master here. So in the metal master we have this MRP controls and all these things, right? So in this MRP control you can able to see. Okay, so it is based on this particular thing. Okay, so here where we are maintaining all the things. Okay, you are seeing this particular days and all other things. Okay, everything is going to happen over here. You can see we have given 3 days. Okay, here it is 3 days is over here. So now you can able to put. Okay, so for an example in this order. Okay, so here you can see the customer reference is mandatory. What is this customer reference? I think we didn't give anywhere the previous thing, right? Because now, okay, this particular case, okay, it is a purchase order. Because whenever any particular customer wants to place an order with the company, so they will be raising a purchase order. That number we are putting over here. Okay, maybe I'll just put, okay, PO number something over here. And I'll give a date. Okay, I'll give a date. Okay, so now we go to this particular schedule lines. Okay, you can go there and you can able to see this particular part over here. Okay, just double click on that and you can go to the schedule lines here, and there you can see. Okay, so as on today it is not possible, it is showing a different date. So I'll put today's date for an example. So 27/12/2023. Okay, so we need this. So again it is saying, okay, 27/12. So it is not possible. It is possible only on 2, because we have 3 days of time. You can see 3 days we need for a production. If the item is not available in the stock, we need 3 days of time to produce that product. Okay, you can see there is 27 here. So when it can be possible here? So it is possible on 2. It means 28, 29, 30. Okay, and we have the holidays. Okay, it will consider the holidays also. We have Sundays and we have holidays over here. Okay, so it will consider that. Okay, so maybe the new year is also considered. So based on that particular Sunday and the new year, it is considered and it has given the days. So this is how the proposal will happen. Okay, because you need to give the proper proposal to them, because they are asking, the customer is asking some delivery date. But if you cannot able to deliver on that, so you have to give some committed date on that. If the customer is okay with that, we can able to process, or else we can cancel the order. We don't have any option. But that particular proposal what you are giving is, okay, that should be almost like a accurate one. Okay, so based on this, system is automatically driving this show. Okay, yes. So let's see that. Okay, so I'll give a delivery proposal. Okay, let's see that. Okay, let's see that what other things are there. You can see everything has been already copied. Okay, everything is perfect here. Okay, so now what happens here? Okay, how this will happen we can see. Okay, so how it will happen is, first thing is, so if stock is there, it's okay. Okay, if the stock is there, we don't mind about that any case. So we can bring the stock and we can deliver. But in case, okay, if the stock is not there, okay, what will be the situation? Okay, that situation will be, okay, we need to take a help of the production. So that information, okay, this information should go to the production, right? For an example, so it should go to the production. Okay, first, so that is called as a transfer of requirements. We call it as TOR. So you can see an option here called the procurement tab. You can see a tab called procurement. Click on that, and there you can see a requirement type is available here. Yes, so there you can see the requirement type is available. So how this requirement type came? Okay, you can see how this requirement type came is, okay, it is very simple. It is coming from the metal master. Okay, if you just open the metal master here, okay, so in the MRP3, so we have given the strategy over here. Okay, so we have given the strategy. Okay, it's a make to order production. So what will happen? The stock, okay, so the particular requirement will be based on the make to order. So there are 2 scenarios. One is make to stock and one is make to order scenario. Make to stock, normally it will be taken by the production and they will handle that case. Okay, in case of there is no customer order. But in case of customer order, we always go with the make to order production. When we get the order, then only we will start the processing. So that is the make to order scenario. So now we don't have a stock because we are just going for make to order. So based on the customer order only, we will initiate. Okay, the best example is the Rolls Royce. The Rolls Royce, okay, never made this car, okay, and make it always available in the stock. Okay, they will get the order from the customer, then only they will process that. Okay, the same concept. Okay, yes. Okay, so let it be there. Okay, so we can see that later. Okay, now first you can save this, save it. Okay, so there are some incompletion procedures. Okay, already we have seen about the incompletion here, right? Yes, already we have seen about the incompletion procedures and all these things. Okay, the same concept here. Okay, just go for the select and go for the complete data. Okay, and you can give the Incoterms and all these things away. Okay, give the next one. Okay, the weight here, gross weight. Okay, maybe I'll give this some weight. Okay, and just give okay. Okay, so now it is done. Okay, so I think it is asking for some value. Okay, so the value is missing over here. Okay, it's fine. So we can update some value over here. Okay, so maybe I'll just put some value. Okay, right. So just go for it. Okay, now the document is completed. Okay, yes, now the document is completed. Already we have seen about the incompletion procedure. Okay, yes. So just give a save. Okay, so it is asking for some GL account. Okay, no GL account is found. Okay, for this particular type of testing. Okay, this need to be maintained by the particular finance department. I think they have not maintained anything on that. Okay, right. Okay, so let me try that. Okay, let me try that. Okay, so no GL has been maintained. Okay, so we can try one case. Okay, so we can try that. Okay, yes, we can try to update something over here. Okay, and let's see that. Okay. Okay, I'm just going for this setup here. Okay, so this should be done by the finance, but still, okay, it's not happened here. So, but anyway, I'll just try this. Okay, for our organization, I think it is not maintained. Okay, so let me search for our organization. Okay, so it is TATA. Okay, it is not there. Okay, that is the thing here. Okay, it's fine. And also we need to find the particular setup here. So what is the chart of accounts? Okay, it is YCOA. Okay, so okay, so we need to maintain this particular combination here. Okay, let me maintain that. Okay, so what is the thing here? So this is the account it was maintained. Okay, so let me take that. So go for a new entry. Okay, or else we can just copy this, that will be better. So copy this. Okay, so the chart of accounts. Okay, the chart of accounts is a main book of accounts of finance. Okay, we need to maintain that. Okay, so actually it will not come under your particular process. Okay, it will be a finance pass. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, sales organization, we need to put our organization. Okay, so you can see account assignment group customer and account assignment group material. Okay, do you remember where we have put on this one? So this particular customer and this material, okay, in business partner in this case. Okay, same case here. Okay, yes. So okay, I'll put an enter. Okay, I think this tough accounts is not having any GL accounts. Okay, let me find this. Okay, so let me find the so we can put something in the receivable account here. Okay, yes. Okay, I'll put this payable discount. Okay, no mistake. Okay. Okay, or else I'll put this one. Okay, so let it be common for all these things. Okay, yes, save it. Okay, and done. Okay, right. So now we can try again. Okay, so we want to try it again. Okay, I'll just go back. Okay, so try it again. Okay, so let me delete this. Okay, so what I can do is, okay, now I can try to put it again, or else we need to go back and try it again. Okay, yes, now we can try save. Now again we are getting the same thing. Okay, so no issues. Okay, so just go back. Okay, so we can try to update this in the condition. Okay, so we have a condition record, we need to update over there. We can try that. So let me try to update the price PR00. Okay, okay, save that. Try to update now. We have an update option. You can see the carry out new pricing. Okay, please update this. Okay, so we got the price. Okay, which is updated automatically. Okay, so it was updated automatically here. Okay, let me try now to save it. No, again it's asking the same thing. Okay, what is missing now here? Okay, I think item category group something is missing. 1 minute, let me check. Okay, it's all financial things. Okay, don't want to worry about that. Okay, let me check one more time. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, let me go for this material and let me check that. Okay, so this is the thing here. Okay, you can see. Okay, so this is actually the domestic sales. Okay, this is what actually it was given, but it was made for the trading goods. Okay, let me change to 01 here. Okay, and let me try. So we can try again. Okay, save it. Again, same problem. Okay. Actually it was determined, but still it is not coming. Okay, no issues, we can try again. Okay, we can just go back and try again. Maybe it's not reflecting back. So we can just go back and try again. Okay, try again here, V01. Okay, so go with this particular quotation. Okay, copy. Okay, so fine. So go for delivery proposal. Okay, so now, okay, give all the things, okay, which are all things as the normal mandatory. Okay, I'll check with the incompletion directly here, so don't need to wait for saving here. So incompletion and put all these things over here. Okay, so incur terms and all the basic things here. Okay, so you can give the weightage. Okay, give next. Okay, now it's fine. Okay. Okay, now what I can do is, okay, I'll just update the price date. Okay, so because it's taking the previous date here, that is why it is asking the net value. I'll go to this material here and I can able to find the value. Okay, sales. If you go there, you can see the pricing date. Okay, so we updated the price just today, so we just put, okay, 27/12/2023, and you can update. Okay, it will get the price. You can see automatically you're getting a price. Okay, so now go for the condition. Okay, there you can see the price is automatically, it's there. Okay, right. So what we need to do is, okay, so just try to go for this particular case. Okay, so just try to save it. Or else we can try to delete this. What is this? Okay, so we can try this one. Save it. Okay, so again we are getting the same thing here. Okay, I think there is two prices are coming. You can see the, okay, it's just showing up two things over here. Okay, we can check that. Okay, we can check what is that. Okay, so we can try to solve this. Okay, the finance has to interfere. Okay, we can see that. Okay, so we can see that. Okay, we can just correct it up. Yeah.